How do I fix the SIM not provisioned M2 error?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to tackle a common issue you might have encountered on your mobile device, the SIM not provisioned M2 error. This error typically appears when you're trying to set up a new SIM card or transferring your number to a new SIM. But don't worry, it's not as complex as it sounds, and we'll guide you through the process of resolving this error.
What does SIM not provisioned M2 mean?
The SIM not provisioned M2 error means that your mobile network provider is not able to activate your SIM card. This might be due to several reasons such as SIM card activation problems, network issues, or device compatibility problems.
How to fix SIM not provisioned M2 error?
Here are some steps that could help you fix the error. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. Turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes, and then turn it back on. Step 2. Reinsert your SIM card. If a restart didn't fix the problem, you could try to reinsert your SIM card. Make sure that your SIM card is properly inserted in the SIM card slot. If you're unsure, remove it and reinsert it. Step 3. Activate your SIM card. In some cases, you might need to activate your SIM card. Contact your network provider and ask them to activate it. Step 4. Contact your network provider. If all else fails, the best course of action would be to contact your network provider. They have the tools to diagnose and fix the problem.
Preventing SIM not provisioned M2 error in the future.
To avoid encountering this error in the future, always make sure that your device is compatible with the SIM card and that the SIM card is properly activated. Regularly update your phone's software to ensure that it can correctly interact with the SIM card. That's it for this video, folks. I hope this guide helps you resolve the SIM not provisioned M2 error. Always remember that when in doubt, it's best to reach out to your network provider for help. They're the experts on this and will be able to assist you better. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tips and solutions.